Well, welcome back, everyone. What an incredible week so far we've had in markets, and it's just Tuesday. I want to start off this video showing you the power of a straightforward toolkit that gives you signals that can be relied upon. Now, nothing's perfect, but it can work for those that are very new, small lot traders, those that are very experienced with larger accounts, and everything in between. You get a signal on top of a price bar, and this is on a 1-minute chart and using only one time frame. The 3 steps that I'm going to describe to you in depth, and I'm going to invite you to an educational session that starts tomorrow at 10 a.m. in just a moment, but I want you to see the power of this first. What we've got is a TRP sell signal, and that presented itself right there on the 2:55 p.m. Eastern Time bar. That's step 1. Step 2, we need to see price below the channel. And that's a likelier outcome if the speed lines are crossing over, blue crossing below the magenta. And all of that was in place at that point right there at 2:57. So from 2:55 p.m., step 1 came in, 2:57, step 2 was in place. And what we need as well in order to have this become a powerful sell signal is the subchart part of the toolkit needs to have a negative momentum shift within a 3-bar radius of that on-chart signal. And we got it on the same bar. Now, as that negative momentum continued to go down on the 2:57 p.m. bar, as price broke below the channel, which are the 3 lines you see me highlighting here, we had a very powerful signal where on that particular bar, the close of the bar was the market, and this is not even an individual stock, the whole market, the SPY, was closing at around $528 and 81 pennies. And if I take you to where the runaway part comes in, well, the TRP signal comes with a target 1, a midline, and a target 2. And when we are below that target 2, on a 1-minute chart, with the price action staying below that fast speed line, we are in a runaway to the downside. 528 and change was where the entry, well, 528 specifically at 81 pennies at the close of that bar was a potential entry. And of course, price action continued to find itself lower and lower and lower, even into this moment where I record the video. As you can see at the bottom of the screen there, 3:56 p.m. So where is price right now? Well, it's sitting at 522 and just about 80 pennies. Now that is an incredible move, a $6 roughly move in price action at a market level. Imagine the reaction on individual stocks in this kind of a market move. And we're going to be showing you how to find incredible individual trade ideas that will conform to, these kind of runaway moves, and show you where the runaways can potentially be ending. You can see very clearly in the subchart over here, we are now seeing a little blue dot come into play. Now that doesn't mean it's all over, but we're getting some warning signals that this runaway might be coming down to an area where it slows down in the selling. If and when that TRP momentum crossover line turns blue and goes back up into the channel, that's where we know we're likelier to be done with this move. But as you can see right now, it's still dropping. The current 1-minute bar continues to sell down. We're sitting down now with over $6, roughly $6.30 roughly of potential gain on a short side trade. In a market that is moving so fast, it helps to have powerful tools of this nature to be able to make better decisions in markets. Now that's a 1-minute chart. We can use these strategies from a swing trader standpoint, from a position trader standpoint. It works for all types of strategies out there and position durations out there. So join me tomorrow, Wednesday, August the 7th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. That is tomorrow morning for a very special session where I'm going to show you how I use these tools to put to work in markets on day trade positions, swing trade positions, and give you the in-depth in and out of how these tools can make better decisions for traders, help traders make better decisions. I look very much forward to seeing you there. Simply go to becomebettertrader.com/yes and get your seat now. We'll see you there 10 a.m. Eastern Time, sharp 7 a.m. Pacific Time, 9 a.m. Central Time. I can't wait to share my knowledge with you and how incredible these tools are and how they work to make a difference in one's trading life. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and we'll see you first thing in the morning at 10 a.m. Eastern. BecomeABetterTrader.com/yes. Bye for now, everyone.